um, just in reference to the time frame you got to work in because they
Mhm.
still have people there. So it's a job that's done while people are actually still there, which I absolutely don't like. But you know, there's no real opportunity to clean after hours because they don't have access after hours just yet. It's a new company, but that should change. Then there's another one coming up that I'm about to pick up where it's kind of a once. I think this one's a once a week smaller office and I think it's going to be on a weekend. Then I have another one that's twice a week office clean, and these two are like one person cleans.
Mhm.
Two people can do it, but it's you really don't need two people. One person can get it done.
Okay.
Um, let's see, and I think there's another. I think I thought it was four. One, two, three. There's another one somewhere. One, two. Anyway, it's another one somewhere. I can't figure out what it is, but yeah. So that's why I'm asking these questions because all my teams are mainly one person teams, and the fact that you guys have multiple um, team members that works. It helps with flexibility with jobs. Um,
Right.